Hello everyone, how are you? Content creation these days is a very difficult for everyone to create daily post for social medias. But here is a very easy and very short one-click way to create. You can create 1 month's content in just few clicks. You can say 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 2 minutes. It's depend on 10 days, 5 days, or 30 days content. So we will use Canva and ChatGPT for the content creation. So how it will work? Let's come to ChatGPT. So here, for example, I want content for 10 social media posts. So I have asked ChatGPT to write 10 line importance of the content creation for social media posts. So ChatGPT, in few seconds, writes some lines for the post, and then I asked ChatGPT to write in spreadsheet form. Why? You will see uh, next in few minutes. So then ChatGPT write this in spreadsheet form. I have copied all this. Then I have created a new spreadsheet. Then I have pasted here. Then I have downloaded it in CSV form. So next, then you will come to Canva. You will design template for your social media post. Maybe you already have. Then what we will do? We will scroll down from here, and then we will select bulk create. So then now we will upload that CSV file. So here is our CSV file. We will open it, and then where we want to show our content, we will right click on that line, and then we will connect data here, and we will click on continue, and we will click on generate. I think there is an error. Okay, let's refresh it. Maybe it could be due to internet problem. So here we will click on bulk create, upload CSV. We will select CSV file, and then we will right click on it. We will connect data here, connect data, and then we will click on continue, then generate pages. Don't know what's the issue. I have also created an other CSV file, so let's try with that CSV file. So I am uploading another CSV file. Open it, continue. So here upload CSV file, open. Okay, so here, then here are four columns. We will we will right click on the line where we want to show content, then go to connect data, then I will select summary overview. So now I will click on continue. So generate 10 pages. Don't know what's the issue here. It's giving an error. So maybe uh, it's a temporary error, but that's the procedure how you will create data in bulk. I can show you how I have created here in the same this procedure. I have created 10. I have created many posts. I can show. I have also created some reels and shorts with the help of the Canva and ChatGPT. This error is temporarily. When you will try, it will work. If it's not work, then you can write in comments, and I can help. Here you can see with the same procedure, I have created some reels, 8 reels in few minutes, and then I have downloaded. I use them daily. I don't have to create it daily. So that's all. Goodbye.